All right, good morning, guys. So I just woke up from yesterday, and I just want to talk about yesterday. Yesterday was a banger. It was just what I expected it to be. But before I tell you exactly what happened, I want to give a special shout out to Coco Wonder, Coco Wonder TV, in the person of Collette Orji. For giving me this opportunity to meet the amazing, amazing stars that I met yesterday. Shout out to the Cocoa House Media for that wonderful opportunity. So about yesterday, as we got there quite early, and yeah, the first person I met was Mike. Yeah, I've actually been on set with Mike one or two times. So you know, and then I didn't know he was also the cast of in the movie, the Blackout movie that was premiered. So we were there, and then I met with Ada Igbo Nile, the one you know on social media. That girl, she works with a lot of glory, man. You see the way she was walking majestically. When I saw her, I was like, I gave her that smile, and she returned the smile, and I just told her, "Let me be the first to jump on you," and then she smiled. Guy, honestly, social media is not doing justice to where she is. She is friendly, she's beautiful, and she's well mannered, honestly. The little time we chatted. And then she was so friendly, made a video, the video I made. Then yeah, I had an interview, it was just about Okoku and the movie, the Blackout movie, what I was expecting. Then we walked into the arena, they gave us our table, the VVIP table. Then we were just there. Most of the stars, Desmond Eliot, Fedrick Leonard, Jeriq, came later than when every other person came. Onny Micheal was there quite early, and then yeah, I met him. When the event started, of course we started with the movie, and guess what? Jeriq, Jeriq of Africa was there. Jeriq came and he was sitting just by the table behind me. I saw Didi of Urban Radio. Yeah, I think you know Didi. I saw her, but I didn't get the chance to meet her. But I saw her walking. She also came with, this aura, like came with this big, mighty aura. I think it was on the same table that Jeriq and his crew, I mean his friends, were sitting on. Now let me talk about the movie, guys. If you have not watched this movie, it will be out in the cinema soon. It will be out in the cinema soon. So I'll urge everyone to watch the movie. This is like a Hollywood made Nigeria. Just what I expected. Now it's not a story that you just want to easily relate. Like we were actually following this movie like it's a regular Nigerian movie. But there are some tiny details that wowed everybody. Like you just be like, wow. As you just say wow, every other person is saying wow. So the movie Blackout is a movie to watch, and I have decided I'm going to take three people randomly. I'm going to take three people to the cinema. If you're in Enugu, I'm going to take three people, majorly two girls and a guy, randomly to the cinema to watch this movie when it's out. And it was going to be people from my page, people that followed or maybe share. If you're in Enugu, I am going to take three people to the cinema. The movie will be out on cinemas across Nigeria. Okoku is a wonderful movie maker, and someone said he's the best in the East. And I want to agree because he's a very detailed person. He pays attention to details and he put in his best. And he said a lot of things about the movie. The movie is something that you can really relate with. Yeah, so that's about the movie. Then now, yeah, about the other actors I met. Desmond Eliot is quite friendly with everybody. Yeah, and then I met Jeriq. Jeriq is just so a man. He's just so a man. He came middle of the event, but when the event was over, so he was just around everybody. And I met Fedrick Leonard. yeah, Fedrick Leonard as well, and Onny Micheal, and yeah, quite a lot of them that I can't even mention their names, but yes, I met Jeriq. I met Jeriq. Jeriq is friendly as well. Then yeah, I met someone towards the end of the show. Someone I've known for a very long time, but for some reason, um, I think I changed my contact, and then you know this or that, and then I met a person of Lady D. Yes, Lady D is a celebrity designer. I would say that's what I know her as. She makes clothes for most of your celebrities. I think she's also the one that dressed the Queen of the Oracle, that's Okoku's wife. I think because her dressing was so outstanding, and she's the one that makes that kind of dress. I, I'm giving shout out to her because I met her again towards the end of the show, and it was amazing, and so many other amazing people that I met. So, guys, shout out to Coco House Media and subscribe to our channel, YouTube channel on Coco Wonder TV. I advise you do so now because some amazing, amazing movies also dropping. Yeah, the truth is, Coco Wonder is also another producer that you should be looking out. Honestly, she's the next banger. So subscribe to the TV, Coco Wonders TV, and keep watching the magic that we do. So I really want you to subscribe to the Coco Wonder TV. And shout out to Coco, the producer and the director of the Blackout movie that will be out on the cinema. And like I said, I'll be taking three people randomly. Basically, those that actually follow, like, share my maybe the video. If you're always on my page, I'm taking three of you to the cinema to see this movie again. It's a movie you really like to watch. All right, and shout out to you, my movie lovers. And I'll be making the videos of how the day went. I'll be posting it on my TikTok and Instagram and um, Facebook. All right, let's see how it goes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Peace out.